What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Charmaine. I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a perfectly moist melon supreme cake, baby. So the cake mix that I have is from Dunkin Hines. Yep. I have this clear bowl that I'll be putting my cake mix in. And I will be adding in some coconut milk. Now, what I like to do is, this recipe consists of 1 cup of water. So I'm going to put half a cup of coconut milk and half a cup of water. Me personally, if I feel like the batter is just a little too thick, then I definitely will add a little bit more water or a little bit more milk. All right, so that's the batter currently. Now we add in 3 large eggs. If you're just now starting out with baking, I advise you to crack your eggs in a separate container, separate bowl, just because in some eggs, they may have blood in them. I know you guys are probably like, why you don't have a hand mixer, an electric hand mixer? Just, I don't know. I don't have one at the moment, but also like, I like to stir in my ingredients just because, you know, it's to me sometimes it's a different feeling. Like, it's a different bond that I have with my baked goods if I stir everything together with my hand and a whisk versus a mixer. You know? And I know like doing stuff by hand takes a little longer, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right, so now this is the consistency of the batter being that I have the eggs in it now. 3 large eggs. All right, the next step is 1/3 of vegetable oil. Bam. All right, here goes my greased pan. I massage the butter inside the pan. Don't come for me in my burnt up ass pan. So for my oven, I set my oven to 200 because I have an electric oven and my electric oven burns really fast. All right, guys, so in my bowl, I have 4 lemons cut in half. And I'm about to make the frosting. So for my frosting, I'm going to make a like a whipped cream type of frosting. So I'm going to put in a half a bag. I guess I'm gonna put in 2 cups of confection sugar. At the moment, this is 1 cup. Boom. Now I'm gonna add in heavy cream. So after mixing the confection sugar and the heavy cream together, I squeezed the fresh lemon inside of my frosting. I'm using a spoon to catch the seeds that may fall into the into the frosting. So after taking some time to whisk my frosting, I decided to throw it in the blender so it could become fluffy. This is currently what my cake looks like without frosting. And now I am going to frost the cake. This is what my finished product looks like. Now let's cut a slice and see what it tastes like. All right, guys, so this is the finishing touch to the cake. Look at that. Whoa. That's what the inside look like. That's what your cake's supposed to look like. All right. My orange is falling off, but I cut myself a middle part so you guys can see what it looked like, and the frosting and everything is falling off of it. And I got frosting on my face. Goodness. All right. I'm not even gonna lie. It's my first time eating the lemon cake that I made. It tastes good. It's not dry or nothing like that. And the frosting definitely helps too. With the moisture. Yep. So this is how the inside look. Once again. All right, that's it. It was good. I'm not gonna eat no more. If you like this content, please like, comment, subscribe, and share to my YouTube channel at Uniquebeauty6228. And go follow my Instagram at Uniquebeauty6228. This is dope. I'm definitely sharing with my friends because I'm not eating all this cake. Yo, so if you want a piece, hit me up and come get it. Cause I ain't eating all of it. Peace.